Welcome, welcome from the Metaphysical Magi and Metaphysical Magic. Today is a marvelous day to love you. This vessel is outside smiling and enjoying nature, the trees, all of the grass, the birds, the wind, every leaf, every sound, the entire essence of the day is marvelous. We are out here communing with nature and 1 gram of psilocybin mushroom. The strain is Golden Teacher. Each time we interact with this particular strain, it does just as the name suggests, teach. The message for today is you. Are you waiting for someone to validate you? Are you waiting for someone to click like on your picture, on your post, on your message feed? Are you waiting for someone to say how wonderful you are, how super awesome you are, how incredibly dope you are? Are you waiting for someone to embrace you, to embrace your strength and your courage and your tenacity, your vision, your wisdom, your stability, your flexibility? Are you waiting for someone to say, I love you? Are you waiting for someone to say, I appreciate you? Are you waiting for someone to give you just a little glimmer of gratitude and respect and honor? What if the person that you were waiting on to hear all of these beautiful sentiments from is you? More often than not, we seek outside of ourselves for something that is just the most beautiful tree growing inside of us. We just don't realize it because we never took the time to water it and nurture it and make certain that it is in fertile soil or fertile ground in here. We wait for someone outside of self to allow us to be us, allow us to become the greatest and most powerful and highest version of ourselves. Self-mastery is such a treasure in life, because once you know you, this thing called life, this journey and your path, it's just delicious like never before. Begin to allow you to tell you, you love you, you appreciate you, you welcome you, you receive you, you hear you, you can see you. You overstand your strength and your courage and your passion and your vision, your dream, your goal, your destiny, your design, your desire. You understand your purpose, your wisdom, your magic, and all that lies within. Allow this day to be your motivation and your inspiration to stop looking outside of self for confirmation of what and who you are. You are your own guru. You are that you are looking for. From the Metaphysical Magi and Metaphysical Magic, may your day be well. May your evening be well. Letin Nachin, Chokure, Seiheki, and Ashe.